Kung may acne scars ka or mga lubak-lubak sa muka, ito yung truth na hindi sinasabi sa'yo. First, hindi siya mawawala in one session. Marami na akong patients who did our KBK acne scar protocol, our best-selling procedure. Parang they expect a miracle. And of course, we give the best service, we give the best treatment, but syempre limited lang naman ang kayang gawin ng doctors. Always remember that. We always discuss, you need at least 3 to 5 sessions for significant improvement. Next, remember, acne scars, structural problem yan. Meron na tayong abnormality sa collagen deep within our skin. Kailangan natin siyang i-remodel. Kailangan natin siyang i-build ulit. That won't take weeks. It takes months. Kasi hinuhulma natin ulit yung collagen fibers eh. Don't expect, kasi may mga patients ako 1 week pa lang, Dok, wala naman nangyayari. Don't expect 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I would say 3 months. You need to give your collagen time to rebuild. Parang nagtatayo ka lang ng bahay, no? Hindi naman yan kaya in 1 week or 2 weeks. We need to rebuild the actual structure of your skin. Last and most important, synergism is key. Dami ko ng patients, Doc, CO2 na ako, 10 sessions. Wala naman nangyayari. Wala namang subcision. So, subcision will release the fibrous bands that are pulling your rolling scars downwards. Your physician must know what the different types of scars are para alam niya paano i-treat. Kasi if hindi mo alam yung type of scar, hindi mo alam paano i-treat. If a patient has mostly rolling scars, kahit anong CO2 mo dyan, minimal improvement because you are not cutting through the fibrous bands that are pulling the scars downwards. Basically, hindi siya dekahon. That's why you really need to visit a doctor because it needs planning, it needs proper execution, and it needs time to heal para makita niyo yung result. In our clinic, we do have many acne scar protocols. So we do subcision, chemical peel, CO2 laser, PRP microneedling, PCA cross, KBK Regeron, and KBK Juvelo. These are all synergistic. If you're interested to have your acne scars treated, come visit us sa clinic.